we are going to be going through the all-new iCarsoft CR Max P. And what we're going to do today is literally use the all-new iCarsoft CR Max P, and we're going to do a DPF Regen. Hopefully this will eliminate the fault code. With this machine, we're going to go into services, and we're going to let it go through all the modules. The ignition is on, and we're going to get into diesel particulate filter here, and we're going to do this switch on the ignition. So it's telling us it needs to be like this, in N, okay. So let's move on to the next stage. Okay, continue with button, so it's going to tell us to turn the engine on, continue, start combustion. So let's start the engine. Here we are, it says please wait 200 seconds until the values are red. One thing I'll say is have the bonnet open, guys, please, and keep an eye on the engine temperature because you don't want to overheat. We'll hit okay. You can hear the revs going up. I haven't done anything, so I like the fact that you get all the live data here. So as you can see, guys, look at the temperature sensor. It's gone up to near enough 600 degrees. It's soon going to go into like a cool down phase in the next few minutes. The engine has gone a little quieter. So onto the engine section, guys. So if you read fault codes, there is no fault code stored. The DPF has finished, done the cool down phase. It's eliminated all the fault. So I've got the live data running. So no engine warning light. We're going to go for a nice drive. You can see we have full power, no engine management light. Everything's in good nick. You know, you let go of throttle, it goes down. Gear change as well, everything's spot on in that sense. The whole point here was the actual DPF that was causing it, which we have reset using the diagnostic machine, and all is well.